Hi folks, thanks for stopping by and welcome to Vancouver RV. Today we're going to be talking about the Grand Lodge, Wildwood Grand Lodge, which is a Forest River product. And you'll notice on the outside here is all fiberglass. This entire structure is supported by a 12-inch powder-coated I-beam. Now we're going to take a look at the inside. Hey folks, here we are inside the Wildwood Grand Lodge. You'll notice a lot of the appointments are really quite nice. We're going to pan the room here shortly. But first thing I wanted you to see was this washer and dryer hookup. You can actually put a small stackable washer and dryer in there. And then underneath the bed you'll find ample storage. The bed is actually on a slide, so it gives you a little bit more room to get around the bed. And it's all on hydraulics, so it's real easy to lift up and take down. Once the bed's in position, you have lots of room to walk around the bed. You've got a nice armoire set here. And over here will be your dresser. You have drawers, one side, that nice large drawers, and then on this side you have the smaller drawers for incidentals, and just plenty of space. You can put a large screen TV. All your cable hookups are right in the corner, and there's ample outlets everywhere. Phone chargers at the head of the bed, which is great, and all the windows in the Wildwood have nightshades. Alright, so we came up the stairs just outside the bedroom, and up here is a loft. There's an area there for storage. We have two beds. It's actually quite comfortable. I've got ample headroom, a great place for the kids to hang out. Alright, so I've left one side of the loft to come to the other side of the loft, which actually overlooks the living room area. This is a great spot for a couple of small children to just kind of hang out. Makes a great little fort. One of the better aspects of the upper loft is that all the windows have emergency exits. Well, one of the really neat things about the Wildwood Grand Lodge is that you have like a real residential shower. This is actually ample space in here. Lots of, cold water. No, just kidding. Out here we have an undermounted sink and a nice vanity mirror and a nice solid countertop. Spaces for incidentals, a little extra for linens down there. Also have a porcelain toilet, and then ample room for linens and extras. All right, so we just made it from the bathroom area into the living room. This is really fantastic space here, folks. Two slides on each side with both hide-a-beds, so these both convert to sleep spaces, so you've got extra company. And then as we kind of come around this direction, you're going to notice there's a beautiful fireplace facade right here that actually puts heat out. This is a great way to conserve propane because you can actually use that as your heat source. Circular fans will keep the heat going throughout the coach itself. And they have a nice big screen TV to enjoy with your friends and family. And over here, we've got a couple of nice recliners we can kick back in and just kind of enjoy the game. Woohoo! A couple of phone chargers above the fireplace there. You notice too the colors are very contemporary. They've created a beautiful facade with some of the additions with lighting and whatnot. Over here you have a really nice kitchen area. This will be your oversized residential microwave. They've invented this little gizmo right here that's very cool. This just rolls up and out of the way, rolls back out for any extra prep space that you need. Again, solid counters, lots of drawers. Plenty of space for cooking, a nice little casserole, and what looks to be like a real chef's type kitchen. Over here we have a full-on refrigerator with lots of room. These are the type of refrigerators a lot of people gravitate to. And of course a full freezer with the top and bottom shelves. And over here we have an amazing pantry. Lots of room for all those extra food items that you like to collect when you're out and about. This is a great little table. Unlike most tables, it's a little bit more distressed. It's kind of really cool and unique. And then under each chair you have little spots for cards and little games and such. Everything gets strapped in while it's being transported. But more importantly, you have lots of windows, lots of light. Wildwood actually puts in some of the largest bay windows of any of the RVs in the industry. And again, you have lots of nightshades that are easy to pull down. Creates a nice dark environment when you want to go to sleep, but more importantly, got the little ones running around. They grab that thing and they let it go. Oh, thank you. Nice and slow. Well, there you go. So here it is, the Wildwood Grand Lodge. FK is the model. Check it out online at Vancouver RV and thank you for your time.